Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. So, Galaxy Z Fold 5 launch dates yet, but we can fairly safely assume that it'll likely arrive next year in the late summer or early fall. This is when Samsung foldables dropped over the past couple of generations. We've no indication of pricing either, but we expect that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 would cost $1,799 just like the Galaxy Z Fold 4. We still think Samsung needs a cheaper full-size foldable to tempt more users to swap to folding phones, but we'd be grateful if the price at least stays stable. We're going to assume that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will remain a book-style foldable, with a narrow outer display and a squarish inner display. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 widened both displays and made them a bit shorter too, which helped them be more usable, and we hope that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 keeps this subtle but important change. The screens of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 should be a 6.2-inch outer display and a 7.2-inch inner display, both using 120Hz refresh rates and OLED panels going by previous models. That inner display may change by having a larger, but shallower, crease, at least according to Samsung's previous comments. Doing so makes the line through the display less visible overall. A more recent rumor suggests that Samsung could eliminate the crease completely on the Fold 5 with a new water drop type display structure. We already like the Galaxy Z Fold 4's cameras, which have at last brought the foldable up to par with Samsung's other flagship phones by using the same rear sensors on the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus. The foldable features a 50MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide camera, 12MP 3x zoom telephoto camera, a 10MP outer selfie camera and a 4MP under-display inner camera. Even so, more and better sensors would be ideal, since you're spending a lot more than you would for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Samsung's best camera phone. Fortunately, Samsung agrees that the Z Fold series needs to take better photo, and has said that to the press and in a reported meeting with component suppliers. The safest bet for the Galaxy Z Fold 5's chipset is that it will be a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or better. We're expecting this silicon to be announced soon, going by Qualcomm's previous announcement schedule, and to power the vast majority of Android phones in 2023. There is a similar story for charging. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is the fastest charging Samsung foldable yet at up to 25W, delivering roughly 50% battery in half an hour, but other Android phone makers regularly offer charging that's twice as fast if not faster. We would expect Samsung to offer upgraded charging on the Galaxy S series before the Galaxy Z series though, so if it doesn't appear on the Galaxy S23, and currently it looks like it won't, we won't hold out much hope for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. We've had 2 years of using the S Pen with Samsung's Galaxy Z models, but Samsung's yet to figure out how to include the S Pen in the design of the phone, it would seem. Just like the convenience of the Galaxy S22 Ultra's built-in S Pen, an included stylus would make the Galaxy Z Fold 5 far better rounded, and provide some much-needed extra value for its price. Well, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.